MA421 prelim exam. First question. Discuss the considerations on choosing the right boilers, specifically for the fire tube and water tube boiler. So when choosing the right boiler, obviously it depends upon the situation, or it depends upon the specific requirement of the application it will be used, the boiler will be used. One consideration is that the type or design of the boiler. So you should know what kind of boiler you want to use for the specific application. So for number 2, you should consider the fuel or heat source, specifically the quality of the fuel and the availability of these fuels. So for the third considerations, you should consideration the combustion technology. It includes to the efficiency of these boilers. If it can produce more power with the less cost, then it will be a win-win situation. So besides these three main considerations, you should consider also the cost. I mean the initial cost you will be spending to these boilers. If it's worth the price for the specific design, then it's only right to choose this boiler. Again, the cost, you should also consider the cost of the maintenance as time goes by. You should also consider the life of this boiler. So that will be the considerations. Again, it will depend upon the situations or the specific requirements for the application of these boilers. So for these two boilers, fire tube and water tube, for me, water tube is more efficient. Why? Because water is easily made or produced into steam if it is surrounded by the heat source or heat gases, heat energy. If it is surrounded by heat energy, so that is the only consideration for me. So I choose the water tube. But again, it depends upon the situation, because a small industrial company are using fire tube boiler, because it is usually used for the application for low pressure or low temperature use. And the advantage of the fire tube boiler is that it has a simple design. And easily to construct. That's it for question number 1.